Could you be interested in starting your own SMS marketing business? Or do you want to lower the cost of SMS sending in your business? Then this video is for you. Thank you for creating time to be here. It's gonna be brief. I will not waste your time. Thank you. Let's jump in. So, what is happening here? We have decided to share this platform with other people, and you will have this platform in your own brand, and you'll have total control, and you'll be able to even charge other people. If that is not for you, you just want to send SMSs, then you just need to sign up to this one and you're good to go. But let's assume you want to start this as a business. What do you need to do? So you just reach out to us. You tell us the domain that you want this platform to be in, and we'll be able to set it up for you, and then you'll be able to go. And then you'll be able to even charge your clients whatever the amount you want, and you'll have total control over the client and the funds that they will be paying. It will be all on you. So how does this platform look like? It helps you send SMS and WhatsApp messages. If I can just sign in here so that you have a quick look of it. It's quite a robust platform, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. So SMS, WhatsApp, Android. So this is an Android SMS gateway. You just need to add your Android device that is connected to your that has a SIM card in it, and then after you add your device here, you're going to download an app. You're going to download this app in your phone. Once you download that app in your phone, you're going to scan this QR code. We have done a comprehensive video on how step by step on how this platform works. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So after you add your device, the next step is you add your contacts. This is where you're going to add your contacts in an Excel. You just click on add, and you can either add one-on-one, or you can add it as or you can import as an Excel file. The next thing that you want to do is you can now start sending your SMS. You can now create your campaign. You can also create a template, and the template is the message that you want to add. And one of the best features about this platform is that it helps you create even spin tags. Spin tags is a very good feature that helps you not to get banned. If you're sending the same message over and over, chances are you get banned. So the platform helps you to avoid that. Alright, so having said that, the other thing that you want to check out is also has API keys, webhooks, and all of that. But once you have this platform under your control, you also have an admin dashboard. An admin dashboard, this is where you'll be able to see the clients that have signed up. You also you'll be able to add your payment gateways. You'll have full control over the platform. So we decided to share this with our clients. And if this is something you will be interested in, you can always chat with us. Our contacts are in the description as well. Reach out to us anytime. We are sure to respond, and we are ready to do business with you. So that's all I had for you. If there's something you'll be interested, let's talk. Thank you, and goodbye for now.